A diamond-embedded watch doesn't tell you the time, it only tells you the times that we live in. Money, power, respect, those are the lies of their religion. The diamond-embedded peace tries to cover what their demons speak. They practice what their preachers preach. Even the devil has a mic and loud enough speakers so he can reach. A professor from hell, just look how well he can teach. You people are wide awake, but look how deep you people sleep. His lyrics flow so sweet onto those beats, casting spells that make the people's feet dance in a trance. His foul lyrics, you should smell the mouth of whoever spit it. Imagine how bad these people reek. It's a cold world, now raise your hand if you need some heat. Please step into my office so we can speak. The word doctor, prescribing them exactly what these people need. You've been fed BS for so long, it's time to change the menu. I can guarantee there's still plenty of men who can change your appetite. Our father Adam fell and it might have been just an apple, right? You should improve what you feed your soul. Your soul has an afterlife. Can't picture your own death. You can't picture anything that is out of sight. You have to see it to believe it is the term that the people use. They ask how come God didn't leave some clues. You want to see God in plain sight, isn't that right? You wouldn't bear to stare and direct your eyes towards the sun. It's only fair that I share a brain exercise. It's time for your mind to take a run, a meditation. You can't even take a glance at the sun and look towards his creation. And you ask to see the creator? We all need to change our behavior. Our souls are in danger. Are you concerned about what hides on the inside? No, but you have a beef with your cheeks, so time to get a facelift. You only have one body, but your soul has many destinations. Where does it go when you sleep? Many people and places, and it gauges. God has made it in our inherent nature to praise greatness. When man does a great thing, it's in man's nature to stand and applaud it. And the word that they call it is a standing ovation. Why do Muslims stand 5 times a day? Look at his creation, it's amazing. So Muslims stand and obey him. They stand and praise him. This is a temporary home inside a machine you were placed in. Why don't we reflect on the ultimate concern? Why do we think the less fortunate should burn? I waited too long, too many years these words were alone, burning slow in the dome. So I finally throw a feast for the beast that I unleash, until he visits every house, every corner, and every street. Take a jump, scuba dive, these words are deep that I speak. I'm not some conceited freak, it's just a belief that I keep. A little self-recognition from what was given to me by God's permission. So one should listen to the fire that some be spitting. Do you really understand what these words say? Brother, would you really like some wordplay? Do you think that I could do this all day? Preach! Brother, I could do this all week. I could knock you off of those feet. Let me show you how a soul speaks. Words of food for your spirit, time to let these souls eat. I design with these rhymes, I decide to combine. This pen is my friend, these words are a 10, and my mind is a dime. I take my time with this poem, look how fine, but she is mine. No, I'm lying. Actually, she's yours. Yours to keep.